Hello everyone! So today, we're gonna talk about the
Colonial mentality in the car.
But before that, let's introduce ourselves. So I am Parmeze Mabaza.
I am Tyson LC Gomez.
My name is Tristan Bataican.
I am Angelique. I am Belle. I'm Mary May. I'm Jamie Brianas.
So,
Imported or local, why do so many Filipinos believe that foreign products are automatically better?
Actually,
Yeah.
from our experience.
Marami.
So paano? Like from K-Tire?
I
Thai?
can start muna.
Sige.
like
so,
experience.
From our experience.
Sa experience ko is I believe that many Filipinos, not just us, pwede din naman sa other countries na colonized by, let's say, countries like Japan, America, first world countries. Parang they brought that luxury to us. And I feel like we just keep thinking na nothing would be better than their product. So kasi for me, just for a quick example, so we have Goyo spread and Nutella. They're both practically the same. Sometimes I have a hard time telling the difference from taste. Pero the thing is, Nutella was so advertised to me as a kid as something, as a luxury, na it's something that I would want all the time. Same with Bulldog. It's like there's not that much of a difference if I eat it than compared to like Pancit Canton. They're both good in their own ways, but I always see Bulldog more as a higher class thing that most people like would eat, and it's just something that I want to eat as well because it makes me feel like, oh, this is a nice thing, it's a luxury. So yan po yung experience ko. Let's try Tristan.
Okay. So, for my experience rin po, I think the media really brought out the famous brands. Like, for example po, there are clothing na same quality, but people would still prefer expensive brands like Prada. Or, when it comes to food, people really like the famous ones like Dubai Chocolate or Ilocos Empanada. But there are like much more higher quality foods with cheaper prices that people don't like since it's not an expensive brand or if it's local.
For my experience naman po, since growing up, whenever we buy stuff for our school supplies, di ba, yung unang-unang binibili ng mga parents natin ay mga shoes, ganon. For my family kasi, mas preferred nila yung mga imported shoes kaysa sa mga local brands like doon sa Marikina, ganon. Kahit na makikita natin kapag nasa Marikina tayo, like pag nagpagawa tayo ng shoes doon, for me, more on high quality talaga siya compared to imported goods. Kasi makikita mo kung saan talaga siya gawain. And yeah, for me rin talaga kasi it's based on the price point. Kasi pag iniisip ng mga Pilipino, kapag mga matataas yung presyo ng bilihin or like ng product na to, automatically naiisip na nilang higher quality yung product na yun. Kesa sa local naman na medyo affordable, pero parang parehas lang rin ng quality. Pinagkaiba lang yung pangalan talaga. Ganun, yung logo, brand. What's your next?
So, for me naman, kasi ako yung taong mabilis ma-impluensyahan. So, kapag may nakikita akong bandwagon, ganyan. Parang pag nakakita ko ng sikat, kunyari, influenced by Taylor Swift, Blackpink, ganyan. Parang gusto ko siyang bilhin, ganon. Kunyari, sa sneakers, di ba, si Mingyu, parang trinay ko yun sa 7-Eleven. Parang ganun. So, syempre, sila, galing ibang bansa sila, they would promote sa product na nasa ibang bansa, syempre.
Saka dami rin kasing ambassadors ng mga products
Actually,
na yun.
totoo. Ayun lang.
Legit.
Yes. For you.
Higit mo. Sa akin naman, ay mas prefer ko talaga yung mga branded or galing ibang bansa na product since mas sa experience ko is mas okay yung mga product na yun compare sa local na parang low quality yung ginagamit nila na materials. Hindi kagaya.
Gano'n.
Tas hindi pa naaano sa price ng product. Kaya parang medyo nanghihinayang ako. Kaya mas prefer ko yung mga branded na gamit.
So ako naman, yung mga makeup brands, aray, yung buhok ko, babe. yung makeup brands, most Filipinos, kasi sabi nila, mas better yung mga luxury brands sa tulad ng Dior, Charlotte Tilbury, yan pa ba? Kasi yung mga branded sa ibang bansa, kaysa sa local, tulad ng mga Easy & Co, mga Easy, Get Ready With Me, sa tingin nila, mas mababa yung quality ng local makeup brands na Filipinos rather sa mga imported ones or international, kasi tingin nila mas better yun, mas hindi ka mahuhulas doon. Kahit yung mga makeup na local sa atin, mas somehow applicable sa atin kasi yung climate parang pwedeng doon. Oh my God, may point pa ako. Oh! Gets niyo ba ako? Kasi yung makeup, so yun, mas prefer nila yung sa ibang bansa kasi tingin nila mas good yung quality.
Tsaka wala rin, pag makikita mo rin sa mga influencers din sa TikTok, may makikita kang mga nagsasabi na wala talagang makakatumbas sa mga sa mga imported goods na yon kasi wala dong magagawang dupes, wala kang makahanap na dupes around it.
Pero kahit meron naman, kasi sa local Filipino makeup natin, mas kaya niyang i-adapt yung climate natin since mainit tayo, so mas tendency mahuhulas yung makeup natin. So if ever gumamit tayo ng makeup na yung sa malamig yung panahon, like UV makeup base, mahuhulas talaga tayo, magiging oily talaga tayo. So yun lang.
So just like what Belle said, about sa makeup is that we Filipinos din kasi much prefer natin is yung more affordable na gamit, like imbis na sa ibang bansa, 'di ba? Kasi yung sa iba naman, alam naman natin na student lang naman tayo and we can't afford naman na mga makeup na mga mamahalin, ganon. And so mas pipiliin ko talaga yung quality over quantity natin, di ba? Tama.
Yes.
Pero guys, I think we should always think na we should support our local brands din talaga.
Kasi nagiging bad na rin kasi siya if parang parang puro
Branded
or
tayo.
international
Kasi
brand.
we need to support our economy.
Yes, kasi hirap sa economy natin.
Yes.
Di ba kasi it's fine naman if we support yung imported brands. I mean, there's always like some sort of quality that comes with them, especially if they come from a different country. Like, I know that we're a third world country, but that doesn't particularly mean that lahat ng mga products natin is always going to be lower caliber compared to what we're getting from imported goods. So I'm just gonna repeat lang, yung imported goods, it's fine to support them, pero we always have to support yung local brands natin. Because I just think it's like, definitely it's bad for the economy if we just keep supporting imported brands. Yan lang, Alfred. Ano yung opinion mo dun?
I feel like, naman, when it comes to imported goods, there are some stuff na you can't buy here na meron sa ibang countries. Like, for example, it's not that common na may mga expensive ingredients. Like, for example, Parmesan. I haven't eaten Parmesan kasi hindi siya common dito. And I think na hindi naman sa bad yung imported goods, pero like imported goods is like it will like cover up some of the missing target market in the Philippines.
Kasi
Yes.
sa Parmesan, what we usually have is yung powdered corn.
Yeah.
Hindi naman kasi totoo yan. Like, di ba you see influencers using yung parang big pieces and they actually do it.
And it's usually pag like when people want a cheaper alternative to meltable cheese, ginagamit diba quick melt, pero medyo expensive pa rin yun eh.
Joke lang.
For me, yung actually sinabi ni Batayka na I was, like that, I agree. Kasi nga, di ba may mga missing tayong ingredients na hindi natin ma-produce in our own local. Kasi hindi pa tayo ganun what do you call this? Upgraded. Katulad ng mga Japan or sa mga first world country. Kaya sometimes we intended to, so we use other...
Foreign brands,
Yes.
ganon.
Ikaw.
Ganun din.
Yeah, ganun din, halos ganon. Kasi, for me rin kasi, pag yung puro ganyan na lang, nagiging bad na rin kasi siya, especially yun nga, sinasabi niya sa economy natin. Doon din kasi na-engrave yung paggawa ng ganon sa kultura natin, like yung mindset ng mga Pilipino. That's why for me, it's kinda like, it's not really good for us to be like that, ganun.
For, may tanong na ako, quick question.
Yeah.
Just how do you think like Filipinos have bought more imported goods compared to, let's say, like 10 years ago? With apps like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, do you think it kept on rising the way they bought imported goods or not?
From, answer.
I guess true naman kasi with the introduction of online shopping, you could buy stuff na like imported stuff talaga. Like for example, miscellaneous stuff, clothing, food, na hindi mo talaga makukuha dito or mahirap hanapin. So, online shopping has been like a gate to buying that easily.
Pero it can go, parang ganyan din kasi mangyayari pag sa atin. Like for example lang, sa ibang bansa, yung mga ingredients natin such as ube, nagiging popular na rin kasi siya sa ibang bansa.
Tawag nila dun, ubi.
Oo. Parang ganun na rin kasi nangyayari sa kanila. And it can go both ways din for me. Like, ayun, di ba, trending na rin sa atin yung matcha. And nakukuha lang din naman natin yung ingredient na yan sa, not only in Japan, ganun. Kaya na-import din natin.
Yes.
Like our temptations for wanting to feel what yung first world countries would feel by buying their products. It can be satisfied easily because yung mga apps, mga ganon. So it's just so we don't settle for mga local brands instead. Ano pa? Why is this like, why are we even speaking about this in the first place? Like, why do you guys think it's so important? Other than economy, ganon. Para sa, like, for you guys.
Kasi yung ibang mga natin, like local business owners, mas tatalo sila compared sa international ones. Tulad ng makeup brands.
I think affected din yung culture natin.
Culture at mindset talaga.
Yes.
Kasi diba, na-colonize tayo since yung Spanish colonial times. Kaya feel din sila yung Filipinos na pangit yung product natin. Ngayon, mas maganda yun sa kanila. Kung isipin nyo, ang dami nating mga minerals.
Marami tayong nawala na kultura dahil doon.
Yes, yung pre-colonial era natin, yung culture natin na nawala. Kasi kinonvince na sa atin na mas maganda yung ibang bansa.
Quality nila.
Yes.
Actually, ma-affect din yung spiritual.
Paano?
Yung religious belief natin.
Yes.
Kasi dati hindi naman talaga tayo originally Roman Catholic eh. So,
We are, ano ba yung religion? As far as I know, tayo? Muslim
tayo, first?
Yeah,
no.
Muslim tayo, pati Buddhist.
Totoo ba? Meron kami sa'yo.
Bagan?
Yes! Babaylan. Alam niyo yung babaylan? Babaylan.
Muslim.
Babaylan.
Babaylan.
Kala ko naman Catholic. Ay, kasi Spanish yung
Ayun, ang Spanish ang nag-spread. Kaya tayo yung pinaka-grabe yung pananaw.
At saka yung kultura kasi ng East at Southeast Asian, shared talaga siya since malalapit lang tayo. Kaya ayun, dumog talaga. Kaya pag mapapansin mo yung ibang kultura ng mga taga Thailand, gano'n. Parang similar sa atin in a way, parang makikita natin yung mga language, may mga similarity talaga.
Yes,
Ayun yung pre-colonial natin. Ayun, shared talaga siya. In a friendly way, pero hindi naman yung parang
competitive.
Pinata ko nag-listen. Hindi ko alam na sumusunod pala tayo, pre.
We are
once babaylan.
Pwede na tayo mag-asawa ng madami, guys.
Yes.
So,
May difference ba talaga sa like, quality?
for me, ikaw, before I,
For me, ikaw.
I guess the media influence people to think na the more expensive an item is or the more well-known yung brand na yun, mas mataas yung quality. Even though hindi pa minsan sina-fact check, people often go for the price. For like, imagine mo, meron silang budget para gumawa ng something or bumili ng something. Pag kaya sa budget, of course pupunta sila sa mas higher quality. And they would go to that higher na price thinking that it's better quality, or well-known brand thinking that it's higher quality, even though there are other alternative brands na mas maganda talaga.
Do you think like the brand affects like a big part of people's buying decision?
I think, oo naman.
Yes.
Sa pangalan talaga siya.
Influence.
Nasa pangalan
And,
siya.
Siyempre, kapag famous ang isang brand kasi, di ba, we intended to think, ay, grabe, makakasabay siya, di ba? Parang gano'n. Actually, sa Starbucks, di ba, yung lasa ng Starbucks, pwede naman natin siyang gawin. Like, 3-in-1 coffee, but we
Starbucks
buy
or
Starbucks.
Plaza.
Like, Big Big Brew, di ba? Pero, syempre, Starbucks kasi is branded and high quality.
Tsaka magaganda kasi yung ambience ng mga place nila. Like sa mga cafe na nakikita natin, ganon.
It's like mostly a big reason. Kasi diba, we have a classmate,
Yeah.
si Claire, diba? Mahilig siya kasi pumunta sa Starbucks dahil sa ambience.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that like, how big of a factor is ambience din? Is it like the whole reason din? Can that be a whole reason?
Yes.
Yes, kasi ano siya parang makikita mo siya as like,
Soft place.
parang,
you can, di ba pag nasa isang lugar to, parang ang calming sa lugar na to, no? I will go this
Hindi siya
every day.
nakaka-overstimulate.
Comfort
tsaka
zone.
makikita mo rin kasi
comfort
yung,
space.
makikita mo rin kasi yung status ng isang tao pag nandun sila palagi.
Oo,
Like, parang makikita mo, ay,
Status.
kayang-kaya niya pala dito. Ganon. It's like parang an indication of their own, tax bracket or something.
Next pa naman yung performance din dun.
Yeah.
Para like they use...
Parang social climbing na rin.
Oo, social life.
Madami yun, di ba?
Starbucks, magadala ng iPad, MacBook, laptop. Loko lang, hindi ko naman nila lahat.
Makansel ko ng game.
Pero like, how do we solve this? Like, yung mindset na yun, paano natin siya maano sa mga tao?
Actually, we
na
cannot
makikonvince?
solve it. Kasi, kapag solve, deep word siya, I think we should lessen it. Like, kasi hindi naman natin talaga masosolve ang isang bagay kapag mentality or thinking na yung pinag-uusapan.
Kasi especially if we're talking about a whole country, there's
Yes.
like, when we say solve kasi, it's completely getting rid of the problem. And this is only a problem because it's so abundant in like the buying decisions of Filipinos. We just don't see people supporting enough of our local brands. And I feel like it's in a big way, that's kind of killing our culture. I know like culture can die down over years through history, pero what we're really doing here is we're not burying it by accident. We're not just stepping over it. We're literally digging our own grave here when it comes to our culture and our like symbolism as a Filipino.
Yes.
We have so much great things when it comes to products, and I think we're just not seeing enough of it because, yeah, of course, big technology is a big part of it. It's just too much advertising to the point na just take a break lang and support yung mga near you, mga cafe spots, di lang Starbucks, products, food spots, ganun lang. That's just yung sasabihin ko.
Kasi for me, mas maganda rin yung ganyan. Kasi looking at the price, for me as a student, mas better talaga yung local for me since if you're trying to aim to, if you're trying to solve, if you're trying to save up money, ganon, you can just go for local products, yung mga nakikita mong pagkain, ganon. It's much cheaper than the ones you see sa mga malls, ganon.
Yes.
Jamie, para sa iyo, how do you think we can quote unquote, not solve pala, how do you think we can lessen this one?
How do we overcome this, ganon?
Parang how do we lessen this?
Ayun, how do we
Yung
lessen this
about sa
type of-
yung natin sa...
yung colonial mindset.
How do we
Yes.
stop supporting local brands?
Yes.
How do we do
Eh, mali.
I think, just, di ba, same naman sa sinabi ni Angelique na we should, as more Filipino,
Filipino pride.
yeah,
Gawin mo yung Filipino pride mo to buy local stuff, gano'n.
no, we should support it kasi naman, Go na!
Economic status. So, when it comes
More-
to, like, sige.
I think more on price talaga siya kasi di ba nga tumataas na yung presyo ng mga sa Pilipinas. Yung ikaw ng tista. Dapat ko yan.
So, basically, yung mga small businesses, they also carry the economic status of the Philippines rin po. And if everyone like refrain from buying local stuff, bababa rin yung economic status natin. And that will keep us from being a third world country. That wouldn't
Hindi
help
tayo
us.
unlad.
Hindi tayo unlad doon.
Mahirapan tayo umunlad.
I think like being a cloud chaser, maybe people wanting cloud affecting this.
Yeah. Singlorify nila yung imported products over kasi nga
Over
diba,
our local stuff.
sa tingin natin if imported, parang mas angat ka, mayaman ka. Kaya yun yung nahabol nila, magmukhang mayaman.
It's nice naman. It's like a nice feeling to have yung parang social status. But I think
There's a limit.
there's a limit. Yeah, limit dun. Parang it just gets to a point where it's unnecessary and it's just hurting us at this point.
If it's necessary for you, that's why you should opt to local nga, to local products, kung ganun.
If you can, should you, when we're talking about like buying products na imported, is there such a big difference now we should stay from our local Filipino brands and just ignore, completely ignore that part of yung mga marketplace. 19. 21?
Okay? What's the question?
Yeah, I forgot what I said.
I think, if you can buy, local, and,
Why shouldn't you? Ganun. di ba?
oo, why shouldn't you? If you can buy local other than imported, then pwede naman. If there's no other choice talaga for imported, then that's fine too. Pero, just know that buying local would help like the economic status of the country. It would make us like evolve from being a third world country.
No, blow it. Keep blowing the fan. It's gonna, I smell it na kasi.
So, to sum up this conversation or podcast, isa-isa tayo ulit. So, in our generation, today's generation, paano natin may influence yung mga kabataan katulad natin na mas tangkilikin yung local brands or products, starting with PP.
Again.
Yes.
Sabi kayo. So, like, one way I think we can lessen this problem of over-consumerism sa mga imported goods is, I think we can just tell people to support local brands. I don't think we hear that enough. I know we have a lot of people advocating for that, but it's people advocating from posts to thousands of people. Wouldn't it feel more heartfelt if it was coming from one of your friends? Let's say you know someone buying so much products from foreign places rather than supporting your local goods. And just like a quick thought for me lang, just like parang di naman super serious. Diba? Sabi mo kanina yung bandwagon, parang bandwagon ka. I think if a lot of people started flocking to us like a local Filipino brand, I think others will do the same ba din?
I think not.
I think not. Parang like yung reputation talaga ng imported goods is so strong na there's no way to pull away yung band, like the band of people that are going to like low. It's always gonna like bring back customers. Parang ganun. Yan lang yung sabihin ko.
So for me, I guess to refrain from the for me it's like making a trend about it. Since this generation is like more digitalized, like for example, Ilocos Empanada, that's actually a local product from Ilocos. And since may mga trends about that, people are being knowledgeable about that product, leading to people buying more of that. And then, ayun, people are buying more local stuff. Yun na.
So for me, feel ko I'm gonna be TikTok. Ano yung nag-affiliate? Yung ngayon. Tapos I'm gonna puro siya, puro local brands yung i-affiliate ko. Tapos I'm gonna syempre, di naman ako magsisinungaling, pero I would give good reviews, comments, and share my knowledge on the
Honest review.
Will you give good reviews para if the product itself is bad?
No, honest
I'll bring-
review nga eh.
Yeah, no. I mean, I'll give honest review. No, I'll give honest review talaga. Pero syempre, ang affiliate ko lang is yung mga local products to help our co-Filipinos.
Okay, so for me, since yung mga answers nila, they all have the same thing, which is advertisement, ganon. If yung maraming mga influencers na nagpapakita or nag-advertise ng mga imported goods, then I think we should really advertise our local products the same way they do. Kasi yung yung mga sinabi lang nila, it's just honestly for the talaga siya, for the media to see. And yeah, ganun lang din yung magiging answer ko.
Like there's not much exposure sa local products.
Yeah, there's not much exposure.
Much.
Kaya kaya ang maganda dito is maglabas tayo ng mga ambassador sa mga natin, sa mga rural areas like province, ganon.
Para.
Like ayun. I-advertise lang natin yung mga products natin na masyadong niche for the community. Wow.
It's the boy who cried.
For you.
Ayun na.
Sa mga mainstream na product.
Ay, ito yung question.
Like what would you do to lessen?
Kung as teenager, how would you?
Ako.
Sige, ikaw muna.
I think I would influence them like sa mga platform, like 'di ba kasi kasi all of us naman, most kids ngayon na kahit bata pa, 'di ba, nagagadgets na. So ayun, influence ko sila I would influence them, like make videos, make TikToks,
Maging
make
influencer.
reels, yeah.
Yes.
Just like para ayoko sa
Ikaw.
So yun, advertise din. I-promote ko yung local brands and kasi mas nag-glorify naman talaga yung mga international brands. Tulad ng Starbucks over local
Coffee shops.
Yes. Saka given naman na marami tayong sources, yung Pilipinas, like marami siyang sources na sa iba't ibang bagay, pero yet nag-glorify yung sa ibang bansa. So, pwede kong i-encourage yung friends ko, yung family ko na bilhin to kaysa sa oh my God. Kaysa sa isang brand na from international. So, ayun. So, yun isang experience ko. Yung father ko kasi nag-work sa iba't ibang lugar. So, may time na bumili kami sa mga rural area ng honey. And kung i-compare namin siya ni mama, mas masarap yung honey ng mga Aita compared sa yung galing sa ibang bansa.
Aita?
So, yes, yung mga Aita, yung mga indigenous.
Ganon.
So, ayun, promote namin sa mga kapitbahay namin, kaibigan namin, and family members namin na mas maganda yung pagbili sa rural areas or sa local brands instead sa ibang international brand. Hindi ko naman sinasabi lahat, pero some of them. So naman, Mary.
Finale.
Or save the best for the last answer. Yes! Mary may conception, Mary.
I think susupport ko din siya and i-promote. Like, pwede siya sa pag may pagbibigyan ng mga regalo, imbis na yung branded, is yung mga local brand na
Gets naman.
para kaya.
Gets namin.
Yan, yung mga local.
Go.
Yung mga local brand na magagamit ng mga pagbibigyan, kagaya ng mga sapatos sa Marikina, yung mga bags, and so on and so forth.
So, to end this, Tyrus.
That's it for our YouTube podcast.
So,
Ito yung ano, outro.
we're gonna,
Outro.
Don't forget to subscribe.
So,
click the
guys,
like.
that's for today.
That's for
That's our
Outro.
Outro. Outro, postura. Postura.
Thank you, guys. Thank you for listening.